Hi, in this video we'll cover creating and scheduling schema backups. To create a schema backup, go ahead and click on the Backups tab. And we'll see that a demo backup is created by default. If you want to create any additional backup scripts, you would just type in the backup script name and with the .sh file type and click create, and that'll create a new one as well using the same template. Okay, so to create a schema backup, as we've listed here, you're going to replace each instance of schema with the schema name that you want to back up, as well as the schema password. And for if you want to upload the backups to a remote FTP site, which we recommend, we're going to replace host with FTP hostname, user with FTP username, and the password with FTP user password name. Now in this case, I'm going to create a backup for schema Scott with password Tiger, so I'm just going to go ahead and replace all instances of schema with Scott. And the test password is going to be Tiger. Oop. And so that sets everything we need for the actual schema backup. And now for the FTP, you would just put in whatever FTP location you want to back up to. Just going to okay, and FTP user, and this would be the FTP password for the user. Okay, so we've replaced all instances of schema with the schema name, in this case Scott. We replaced the schema password with Scott's password, which is Tiger, and we've replaced the FTP hostname, username, and password. Okay, and once that is done, just click Save and Close, and that will, whoops, let's replace this here down here too. And go ahead and click Save and Close. And this will create the backup SH script and how we want to schedule it. So go ahead and click on the Schedule tab and click Create tab. And here we're going to, the one we just created was backup.sh. So let's select that one. Now there's several options for executing this. One is you just want to do a one-off schema backup. We could just click Create Now and it will run that backup right now and it won't repeat. We also can do hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, as well as custom. So for a custom backup, if you want to create a backup every day at 3 a.m., we would use here, and you can see there's a link here to Cron Helper if you want to create that. And so go ahead and click Create, and we'll see now that that backup is now been set with the a cron has been set for that to run the backup for that schema every evening at 3 a.m. and we can always go back here and edit that as well, and we can edit the script as well.